Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're diving into a straightforward guide on how to transfer Modic from your Arculus wallet to XMO in 2025. If you're into crypto and want to move your assets seamlessly, this tutorial is perfect for you. Modic, also known as Polygon, is a popular token for fast transactions, and with platforms like Arculus and XMO, it's easier than ever. But before we jump in, make sure you have your Arculus wallet set up with some Modic and an XMO account ready to receive it. Always double-check your wallet balances and network details to avoid any hiccups. First things first, open your Arculus wallet app on your device. If you haven't logged in, do that now. Once you're in, navigate to your Modic holdings. You'll see a list of your assets, find Modic and select it. Now, hit the Send or Transfer button. This is where the magic happens. Next, you need the XMO wallet address. Head over to your XMO account on their website or app. Go to your wallet section, select Modic, and copy the deposit address. Pro tip: double check that it's the correct network, like the Polygon network, to prevent any lost funds. Back in Arculus, paste that address into the recipient field. Enter the amount of Modic you want to send, but remember to leave some for gas fees if needed. Before confirming, review everything: the address, the amount, and the network. Hit send, and you'll get a confirmation prompt. Approve it, and your transaction is on its way. Depending on network congestion, it might take a few minutes to a couple of hours to reflect in your XMO account. One quick heads up: always use secure connections and enable two-factor authentication on both platforms to keep your assets safe. If you run into any errors, like insufficient funds or wrong networks, go back and verify your steps. There you have it. That's how you transfer Modic from Arculus to XMO in 2025. It's simple once you know the ropes. If this helped, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more crypto tips, and drop a comment if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.